This is the Miworld Vending Machine. Perfect for your Chelsea dolls. And can you believe it? It's so cute. I love it. So far, we've seen this adorable, cute thing at Toys R Us. Not at our local Walmart, though. But hopefully, we'll be coming soon. Well, this set comes with water bottles, chips, and candy bars. Sadly, the stickers don't stay on, which past Miworld set that involves stickers don't stay on. Which I'm really bummed about that. Like the Sparkles Cupcake Store, the stickers don't stay on, and neither does this, which is very, very sad. But this door can open and close. And this can open, so you can switch out your food. Bottles, candy bars. Let me show you how this works. First, you enter your Miworld card. You gotta slip it in here. And then it will slide out. Then you go to the back. Never mind. You enter the buttons. Poo, 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 poo. And then you... This is not the best thing. Come on. To work. But there's always just breaking in. Oh. But the candies are supposed to fall out. Sadly, only the bottles are supposed to fall out, as you can see. Okay. I have to admit, I'm still learning how to work this. We think this is going to be our perfect fit for our Chelsea dolls. You can only get this so far seen at Toys R Us, and it only cost us $10. So, thanks for watching. This is Dollies and Rainbows. Seriously? You stole my job again? I'm known for it. I'm famous all over the world. I really don't like that donut.
I had a